Hello students. So now we are going to start from turmeric. Turmeric or haldi is used as an ingredient in different dishes. It is yellow colored powder. It is used as an indicator in the form of turmeric pepper. Turmeric pepper can be made by mixing turmeric powder in a little amount of water to make a paste. This paste should be applied on blotting or filter paper and left to dry. Strips of this paper can be used to check the acidic or basic nature of a solution. In a basic medium, the turmeric paper turns reddish brown. In an acid or neutral medium, there is no change in its color. It remains yellow. You must have experienced that when a yellow stain of food on your white shirt is dipped in soap solution, it turns reddish brown. It is because soap solution is basic in nature. China rose indicator is prepared by boiling some petals of China rose flower in water. The contents are filtered in a light pink colored solution is obtained. The solution is used as an indicator. In an acidic solution, China rose indicator changes to dark pink or magenta. In a basic solution, the China rose indicator turns green in color. In a neutral solution, China rose indicator shows no effect. Now you have phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is a colorless solution which is prepared in the laboratory by dissolving phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. In basic solution, colorless phenolphthalein changes into deep pink color. In acidic or neutral solution, phenolphthalein solution remains colorless. So in basic solution, phenolphthalein remains deep pink, and in acidic in nature, and acidic phenolphthalein solution remains colorless. pH scale. To know the strength of an acid or a base, scientists have given a scale ranging from 1 to 14. This scale is known as pH scale. A pH paper can be used to check the acidic or basic strength of a solution. The pH paper is dipped in an acid or base and the color obtained can be matched with a chart given below. A universal indicator can also be used to check the acidic or basic strength of a solution. A universal indicator is a mixture of indicators that gives different colors for different pH values. Now here neutralization reaction. Now you know that when acids and bases what happens if we mix, so we can say that when acids and base mix together, it forms salts. Now what is salt? A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. You can also find that the beaker or test tube in which acid and base reacts heats up. The reaction between an acid or a base to form salt and water with the evolution of heat is called neutralization reaction. For example, when vinegar is added to baking soda, a salt water and carbon dioxide gas are formed. Similarly, when hydrochloric acid is added to sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride and water are formed in the evolution of heat. Use of neutralization reaction in daily life. As a remedy for indigestion, hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach, which is essential for its proper functioning. But when we eat spicy food, our stomach produces large amounts of hydrochloric acid, which results in acidity or indigestion. Indigestion can be very painful and can be cause stomach ulcers. As base neutralizes the effect of an acid, doctors give antacids like milk of magnesia contains magnesium hydroxide to cure indigestion. To cure ant and bee sting. Ant and bee sting contains formic acid, which is injected in the skin when a person is bitten by an ant or bee. This causes pain and swelling. The effect of ant and bee sting can be neutralized by rubbing a base like baking soda or calamine lotion on the affected area of the skin. The base neutralizes the effect of the acid. In treatment of soil, plants grow best in neutral soils. Due to lack of essential nutrients or due to excessive use of fertilizers, the soil either becomes too acidic or too basic, which reduces soil fertility and results in poor growth of plants. If the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. These bases neutralize the acidic soil, making it neutral. If the soil is too basic, organic matter like compost or manure is added to the soil. It releases acid into the soil and neutralizes the basic nature of it, thus making it neutral. To treat factory waste. Factory wastes are mostly acidic in nature. If they flow into water bodies, they cause harm to aquatic plants and animals. Basic substances like slake lime are added to the factory waste to neutralize the acid present in them before they are discharged into the water bodies. So you have already finished this chapter. So you have to memorize these terms. This is very important. And you have to do this homework. This is very important. So for this today, you have to complete these two homeworks and you have to show me tomorrow. Okay. Try to this exercise also. Up to here. You have to do up to here. This is all our homework. So you have to do all this homework. True and false, you can find it out. If you got any problem regarding these questions, just ask me. So thank you very much.